Welcome to another episode with AI Life. Today we're diving deep into the world of time management, and more specifically, the art of time blocking. Now, if you're anything like me, you're juggling a million things at once. Projects, deadlines, emails, you name it. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. Trust me, I've been there. The constant barrage of tasks can make anyone feel like they're drowning. But that's where time blocking comes in. It's a game changer. It's like having a personal assistant for your day, helping you prioritize tasks, stay organized, and actually get things done. And the best part? We're going to explore two powerful tools that make time blocking incredibly easy. Google Calendar and Sunsama. These tools can transform your chaotic schedule into a well-oiled machine. Alright, let's kick things off with Google Calendar, a true titan in the world of scheduling. It's a tool that many of us have heard of, but not everyone fully utilizes its potential. Now you might be thinking, Google Calendar? That's basic. But hold on, there's more to it than meets the eye. But trust me, there's a reason it's so popular. It's incredibly versatile and packs a punch when it comes to time blocking. It's not just about marking dates, it's about managing your life efficiently. Think of Google Calendar as your digital planner but on steroids. It's like having a personal assistant that's always on hand. First up, we've got recurring events. This is a lifesaver for those repetitive tasks. This feature is a game changer for those daily or weekly tasks you absolutely can't miss. Morning workout, team meeting, family dinner, block it off in Google Calendar, set it to repeat, and boom, you'll never forget again. But wait, there's more. You can even customize the frequency and duration of these events. Google Calendar's reminder system is like having a personal assistant who never sleeps. It's there to nudge you at just the right moments. Set reminders for important deadlines, appointments, or even just to grab a snack. You can choose how far in advance you want to be reminded. No more missed deadlines or rumbling stomachs. It's all about keeping you on track and stress-free. And let's not forget about the power of color coding. This feature is a visual delight. This is where Google Calendar really shines for visual learners like myself. It makes distinguishing between different types of tasks a breeze. Assign different colors to different types of tasks, work, personal, errands, and watch your calendar transform into a vibrant roadmap of your day. It's like turning your schedule into a colorful masterpiece. Google Calendar is perfect for time blocking. It's a method that can revolutionize how you manage your time. It lets you set recurring events, reminders, and even color code tasks to stay organized. It's a comprehensive tool that covers all bases. But the real beauty of Google Calendar lies in its simplicity. Despite its powerful features, it remains easy to use. It's incredibly user-friendly, even if you're new to the whole time blocking game. So dive in and start making the most of your time with Google Calendar. Now, once you've mastered the basics of time blocking with Google Calendar, it's time to level up our game with Sunsama. This tool is designed to take your productivity to the next level by offering features that go beyond the basics. Sunsama takes all the great features of Google Calendar and cranks them up a notch. It's like having a personal assistant that helps you manage your time more effectively. Think of it as the cool older sibling with all the advanced features. It's not just about scheduling, it's about optimizing your entire day. One of the things I love about Sunsama is its focus on daily planning. It encourages you to be intentional with your time. Each morning, Sunsama prompts you to set your top priorities for the day, ensuring that you're starting your day with intention and focus. This helps you to stay on track and avoid distractions. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, Sunsama's got your back with its built-in task management system. It helps you to break down your tasks into manageable chunks. Break down large projects into smaller, more manageable tasks. Assign deadlines and track your progress, all within the Sunsama interface. This makes it easier to tackle big projects without feeling overwhelmed. But here's where Sunsama truly shines. Its seamless integration with other productivity tools. This means you can keep all your work in one place. Connect your Google Calendar, Trello, Asana, and more to create a centralized hub for all your tasks and appointments. This integration helps you to streamline your workflow. Sunsama becomes the conductor of your productivity orchestra, bringing everything together in perfect harmony. It ensures that all your tools work together seamlessly. Another feature that I find incredibly helpful is Sunsama's time boxing functionality. This feature helps you to allocate specific time slots for each task. It allows you to allocate specific time slots for each task, ensuring that you're not just scheduling tasks, but actually dedicating focused time to get them done. This helps to improve your focus and productivity. And if you're a fan of data and analytics, Sunsama's got you covered there too. It provides detailed reports on your productivity, track your time spent on different tasks, identify areas where you're most productive, and use that data to optimize your schedule for maximum efficiency. This data-driven approach helps you to continuously improve. Both apps make time blocking simple, ensuring that you're productive and balanced. They complement each other well, making it easier to manage your time. Try them out for a more organized day. With Sunsama and Google Calendar, you'll find yourself more focused, productive, and in control of your time. So there you have it, 2 powerful tools to help you conquer your day with the power of time blocking. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Google Calendar and Sunsama offer a range of features to streamline your schedule, boost your productivity, and bring a sense of calm to your chaotic day. But remember, the key to successful time blocking is consistency. Make it a habit to plan your day, stick to your schedule as much as possible, and don't be afraid to adjust things along the way.